My neighbor Josh and I were ready to take a group of boys to the Blue Ridge Mountains for a weekend of guided fishing, hiking, and camping. Boys and I got on the road a day early to start our way out to the mountains when we picked up a nail in our tire just outside of Asheville, North Carolina. We made the best of it by taking a hotel for a night and catching a movie. The next day, the good folks at the car service station took care of us right away and got us back on the road. The fishing guide set us up with some great gear and on a beautiful stretch of the river. And we had some mixed success, but did manage to catch a couple fish even with our late start, including this beautiful rainbow. That afternoon we settled into our campsite where we had a cabin and a camper site. This simple cabin was the perfect option for us with all these boys. We made our way over to the river before we came back and started our dinner. Alright guys, we're at site number 20 here at Moonshine Creek Campground. It's an RV site. We just have the little rouser here. This camper is 8 feet by 6 feet. Let me show you how we have this camper set up. It's kind of a mess because we've had a full house here this weekend. Got the top bunk set up for a couple people. Bottom bunk ready to go for 2 more. We got the kitchen here. We're doing great. Check out this creek. I'll share with you a few images of this pretty campground with a creek running right through the middle, all kinds of amenities available, and a great little camp store to make sure you have everything you need to have a great time while you're here. After a good breakfast, we were ready to take on a hike, and we made our way to Midnight Hole. I think those smiles say it all. This place was absolutely beautiful. But we weren't done. There was one more adventure for the day, and after a hearty lunch, the boys took on the whitewater at Rafting in the Smokies. Sadly, there's no footage of us on the whitewater, but this video gives you a great idea of what the Pigeon River was like on this day.